Assalamualaikum, how are you all? I think that all of you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I have come in front of you taking another video, which is from chapter 4, pressure on object. And it is very important for class 9 and 10. And I'm going to read out the question which is written on my whiteboard, and you are noticing that. And the question is, if a pitch of oil was floated on water, then how much of it would be sunk? Whereas rho equal to, and rho means density equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power 3, 10 cube, kg per meter cube, and rho w means the density of the water, equal to 100 kg per meter cube. Okay, if you want to just sort out or solve this question, if you want to figure out the math, then you need to know the exact formula for this mathematical problem. And you are noticing which formula should we use for this mathematical problem that I have already written on my whiteboard. Then rho equal to m by v. Rho means density. The unit of density is kg meter equals 3. Mass, m means mass. The unit of mass is kg. And v, capital B means volume. The unit of volume is meter cube. Okay. Now I'm going to write this and I'm going to solve this. Okay, we will write, we know rho equal to m by v, and we will write for the wood pitch m equal to b rho. For the water, then we will get v rho w. PW rho w. Volume of water, density of water. But you can say to me that why I did not denote m and m as a w, and why don't I differentiate those m's? Because if you float the pitch of wood on water, the mass of that pitch of wood will not be changed. That's why mass always remain like previous. Okay, so we can write that according to question. According to the question, we will write m equal to v rho, m equal to vw rho w. Then we can say this equal to that or this equal to that. Okay, so we will write v rho equal to vw rho w. Then we will exchange the place. We will try to interchange the place. Rho v equal to v by rho w. Vw equal to rho w by rho. Then please, if you want to make it as percentage, then you will have to multiply 100%. Then please write down the magnitudes of rho and rho w. Rho is 500 kg meter inverse 3. Rho w equal to 1000 kg meter inverse 3. Okay, we will write those magnitudes and we will place those magnitudes on the right place. Then we will count those figures and we will get 2 into 100, 50, that means 50%. 50% of it would be sunken. This is the answer. I think that all of you got the right answer. Thank you for staying tuned with me, and please support me in everywhere. Thank you.